Hello YouTube, came in here. I just have a quick video today. I went on a beach and I just picked up a bunch of sea glass. There was probably 10, at least 20 times this there. I just picked the most interesting pieces, which means I didn't pick up much clear stuff. I mainly focused on the other colors. So yeah, I'll just show what I found. First of all, scroll through the more boring stuff. Clear, like a light gray color, aqua, brown, green, milk glass, pottery, and this is my cobalt. And now I'll show the more interesting stuff. There's this piece which says treat on it, T-R-E-E-T. I don't know what it was. See if I can show it. There you go. Next, there's this piece of pottery. I'm going to try to research. It says red meek. And it has an I, Tunstall, England. It's like a pottery mark. I'll research that and add it in if I find anything. Then there's this 40s Pepsi piece. This is part of a quick top cobalt. You can see that was the top. Maybe a milk of magnesia or something. I don't know. Oops, I just dropped it. Okay. And there's this piece of pottery. It looks like it would have been blueware, I guess you could call it. Sort of like this plate. Okay, next. There's this, which I think was a milk bottle. Based on the fact that this is ILK. Yep. Okay, there's this piece of blue pottery. Of course, most of these would have been nice bottles, or items, but none of them survived. And there's this Sony thing. It says 1996 Sony Computer Entertainment Inc. I wonder if it's been there since 1996. For all I know, it could be. Probably not, though. But I found that's the only modern thing I took. Well, sort of modern. Then there's this piece of pottery, like porcelain, actually. See if I can show that. Good enough. Okay. There's this cool piece. The camera's just focusing on the back area. Oh well. And this is one of those light green pieces that look sort of like glow in the dark, but usually are. Oh, just dropped it. Aren't. I'm gonna double check that it's not. Yeah, it's not. Okay. Next, there's this base. Does say something on it, but I can't tell what. I can see SL something. Okay, and then there's this base. I'm guessing it says 45. I'm guessing 1945. It has an A and a circle in the center. I'm guessing that. I think if I remember correctly, that's Armstrong is the company. There's this piece that would have had a seal, probably in the center, like a paper one or metal. You can see it's probably 40s. There's this one I just thought it was a cool embossing. Would have been an amazing bottle probably. I think definitely. Yep. Then there's this weirdly shaped piece of pottery that's like a round thing sticking out for the base. I'm assuming that's the base. Yep. Then there's this very worn piece of stoneware. You can see. It just looks like stone from every other side. There's this piece of what I think might have been one of those jars. Actually no, because this part's not broken. This is just war. It broke here, you can see, but not here. Yep, it's gray. Okay, then there's this. Would have been some sort of slug plate. You can see SI. You can see. Whatever. There you go. Then there's this, which says cola. I think that might be a, I don't know what it was, but I think it's old. I think that's like a mildly old Pepsi. Can't tell for sure. Not super old. Then I'm saving my two favorite finds for last, but these are some black glass. This one has a cool pattern on it. Yep, that's black glass. A blank piece of black glass. And this one looks really old. Piece of black glass, that's the base, you can see. Yep, probably a wine bottle. Then, this is probably the oldest piece. I think it could even be 1700s, I hope. But you can see this is the inside of the base. It's wrinkled, sort of, and I'm guessing there would have been a pontil up here. This is the inside part, I think, and you can see it broke along here. Yep, I think that could be 1700s, and it is possible based on where I found it. And then one more item is this really worn down marble. Pretty cool. It's my favorite find, probably. Either that or the possible well, it could be early 1800s, the glass. The one I just showed. Yep, and there's this cool marble. Don't know anything about pretty much any of this stuff other than the Pepsi. But yeah, bye. Hope you enjoyed.